Okay, so here we have the Royal Kludge RK M75 keyboard. This is the version with brown switches, so it's around 90 bucks on Amazon. So here, opening up the box, we just see a user manual, and there's the keyboard in a plastic wrap. You can see in the back there's some extra accessories in the box right by it. Let's put the keyboard to the side for now. So looking at the accessories, it appears that we have a USB-C cable. It seems to be a decent length, which is nice, so that you can just use this for wire connections or to charge the keyboard. We have some brown switches, some extra ones, it's very nice if something breaks, and we have a key switch puller. This keyboard is hot swappable, which is also really nice. Okay, actually now let's look at the keyboard now. Let's pull it out of the case. I have a little plastic wrap that it's in. Um, Looking at it, it looks pretty nice right away. It looks like it has a nice little feel to it. It has some little plastic kickstands on the top if you want the keyboard to be slightly elevated, which is also really cool. So here on the top of the keyboard, we have a wireless dongle that actually fits right into the back of the keyboard, which is cool. This keyboard has three connection types. It has this 2.4 gigahertz dongle, it has Bluetooth, and it has a wired connection through USB-C. Here's this quick sound test.